Hi parents. This video is to help you understand a little bit about how we're going to use Google Classroom this year. Your child has probably gone through it by now in class, but if not, or if they forget, then that's what this video is for. It's hopefully going to be helpful for you as a parent helping your child at home. So if you go to classroom.google.com and use the school email and password that your teacher has sent to you, you should be able to log in and your screen should look something kind of like this. They will have this blue classroom off to the side that says second grade squad, and that is our classroom. So if you click on second grade squad, you will see something a little bit like this. The second grade squad title will be across the top, and then you'll see something that says like share something with your class, and it should have your child's picture there, not mine. Um, but in this space, that's where you, as the parent or the child, can ask questions. Maybe if you don't understand or your child doesn't remember what they're supposed to be doing for an assignment. But you also might see different reminders or something that the teachers have sent out for you. We're trying to communicate something with you, or maybe if we forgot to say something in class, that will go there as well. And so that will start making a stream down here where it says communicate with your class. The child's version says something a little bit different, I think. But those will all start a feed there, kind of like Facebook or Twitter or something like that. They'll line up like that. Over here, you'll see some upcoming work. We don't have anything in there right now, but as the time goes on and as the school year proceeds, we'll have some stuff probably coming up there. And that's kind of just like a helpful reminder of what's coming up. If you click over here where it says classwork, that is where you will find all the work for remote learning. So at the top, it says logins, class codes, and other helpful things. This is where you can find like our second grade schedule, some options for PE for when you're doing remote learning, and some class logins. This will always stay at the top. That way, if you forget a login or need to look something up, that would be right there for you. Then if you scroll down, you will see tabs or topics is what Google Classroom calls it, different topics that are dated. So this one is obviously the first one August 17th through 21st, and then the next one says 2 and then 3. So these are the weeks that they're in school. We only have the first 3 in there right now. But as we continue school, that will get longer and longer. And within each of these topics, so this first one, August 17th through the 21st, you'll see all the assignments that we're doing this week. Each one is numbered with the date of the day that they should be completed. So as you can see, the first 6 start with the 17th. So those things should all have been completed on the 17th of August. Then there's ones with 18 and 19 and so on all the way through 21, just since we only have the first week in there so far. So those numbers, those assignments should be completed on that date. So the 18th are things we did in class today, and then the 19th are things we'll do tomorrow, 20, 21, and so on. So that's that way. That's there that way that you are aware and know which date things should be completed on, and it's not just a long list of assignments. Then if you click over to, I think yours says people, you can see all of the teachers and you can get a hold of us that way. There's some other teachers in here too, not just the 3 second grade teachers. But Miss Johnson, Miss Lambert, and Miss Dirksey are all in there, and you can email us through that way. You can send us a message if you click over here on the 3 dots. You have some options. And then all the students. I don't think the students will use much of this space, but it's there in case you find you need it. And then I think I have the grades off for the students, so you shouldn't be able to see that. But yeah, mostly you'll just look for the stream. That's like the Facebook feed kind of where you can ask questions or might find reminders or things like that for class and things to work on. And then the classwork is where you'll find all the materials and different assignments we're going to do each day. So I hope this little intro of Google Classroom was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to any of your second grade teachers and we will be happy to help you.